Alright, hello, welcome to lesson 17 of our preparations for the entrance exams. I hope you are learning very hard. Yes, today we are going to do something very short, okay? But if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Thank you very much. We are going to do rounding off numbers, okay? Sometimes we hear rounding off, and the other time someone sent me some questions to solve for his or a brother. And it was not an easy task for us because we are now asked to round off, round up and round down and all those things. Yes, so I'm going to teach you very simply. So when we say rounding off, it's very simple. Rounding off is the same as rounding. So when we are asked to round a number to the nearest 10, literally they are asking you to round the number off to the nearest whatever. Okay, so let's look at this question. Approximate 1676. That's round it off to the nearest 1000. Okay, so for the first one, to the nearest 1000, you are going to check the number in the 1000 position. Okay, so 1676. This number is in the ones. This one is in the tens. This one is in the hundreds. And this one is in the 1000. So which number is in the 1000 position? That's what? 1. So when we are rounding off to the nearest 1000, we check the number after the number in the 1000 position. I hope I'm very clear. So which number is after the number in the 1000 position? That's 6. If the number is 5 or more, let's say 5 to 9, you add 1 to the number in the 1000 positions. But if it is 4 or less, it means that you leave it like that and make the rest 0. Okay, so this number to the nearest 1000 is going to give me 2. Why 2? Because the number after the 1000 is 6, which is more than 5. Okay, it's between 5 to 9. So 2, then the rest of the numbers become 0. So how many numbers are there? 0, 0, 0. That's all. Then second one, to the nearest 100. Which number is in the 100 position? That's 6. Okay. And when we check the number after the 6, which number is there? Is 7. 7 is also more than 5. So what will happen to the number in the 100 position? It will change towards 7. That's we are going to add 1 to it. Okay, so 1, you start with the 1 here, then 6 will turn towards 7, and the rest of the numbers becomes 0. That's all. Then the next one, we are rounding the same number to the nearest tens. So you check the number in the tens and the number after it. Which number is in the tens position? That's 7. And which number is after the 7? 6. So what will happen to the number in the 10th position? It will be added. 1 will be added to it. Okay, 1 will be added to it because the number after the number in the 10th position is more than 5. Okay, so we are going to get 1, 6. This 7 will turn towards 8. Okay, because I'll add 1. Then the next number becomes 0. That's all. Now let me give you another simple question. You try it for me. 2842. If I'm asked to round this number to the nearest tens, what will be the answer? Which number is in the 10th position? 4. Okay, and which number is after the 4? 2. This is not up to. The 2 is not up to what? Up to 5. So you maintain the 4. So rounding this number to the nearest tens, I'm going to get 2, 8. I'm not going to add anything to the 4 because the number after it is not up to 5. So 4, 0. That's all. So this is all about rounding off numbers. Thank you very much for your attention and everything. I'll see you in the next lesson. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.